There are no speed limit signs on the road. How is a 30 miles per hour limit generally indicated? A. By hazard warning lines. B. By street lighting. C. By pedestrian islands. D. By double or single yellow lines. The correct answer is B. By street lighting. What will the speed limit usually be where you can see street lights but no speed limit signs? A 30 miles per hour. B. 40 miles per hour. C. 50 miles per hour. D. 60 miles per hour. The correct answer is A. 30 miles per hour. What will the speed limit usually be where you can see street lights but no speed limit signs? A. Minimum speed 30 miles per hour. B. End of maximum speed. C. End of minimum speed. D. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. End of minimum speed. What should you do if you want to overtake a tractor but aren't sure that it's safe? A. Follow other vehicle as it overtakes the tractor. B. Sound your horn to make the tractor driver pull over. C. Speed past, flashing your lights at oncoming traffic. D. Stay behind it if you're in any doubt. The correct answer is D. Stay behind it if you're in any doubt. Which vehicle is most likely to take an unusual course at a roundabout? A. Estate car. B. Milk float. C. Delivery van. D. Long vehicle. The correct answer is D. Long vehicle. When may you stop on a clearway? A. Never. B. When it's busy. C. In rush hour. D. During daylight hours. The correct answer is A. Never. What's the meaning of this sign? A. No entry. B. Waiting restrictions. C. National speed limit. D. School crossing patrol. The correct answer is B. Waiting restrictions. You're looking for somewhere to park at night. When may you park on the right-hand side of the road? A. When you're in a one-way street. B. When you have your side lights on. C. When you're more than 10 meters, 32 feet, from a junction. D. When you're under a lamppost. The correct answer is A, when you're in a one-way street. When should you use the right-hand lane of a three-lane dual carriageway? A, when you're overtaking only. B, when you're overtaking or turning right. C, when you're using cruise control. D, when you're turning right only. The correct answer is B, when you're overtaking or turning right. You're approaching a busy junction. What should you do when, at the last moment, you realize you're in the wrong lane? A, continue in that lane. B, force your way into the lane you need. C, stop until the area has cleared. D, use arm signals to help you change lane. The correct answer is A, continue in that lane. Where may you overtake on a one-way street? A, only on the left-hand side. B, overtaking isn't allowed. C, only on the right-hand side. D, on either the right or the left. The correct answer is D, on either the right or the left. What signal should you give when you're going straight ahead at a roundabout? A, signal left before leaving the roundabout. B, don't signal at any time. C, signal right when you're approaching the roundabout. D, signal left when you're approaching the roundabout. The correct answer is A, signal left before leaving the roundabout. Which vehicle might have to take a different course from normal at roundabout? A, sports car. B, van. C, estate car. D, long vehicle. The correct answer is D, long vehicle. When may you enter a box junction? A, when there are fewer than two vehicles ahead. B, when signaled by another road user. C, when your exit road is cleared. D, when traffic signs direct you. The correct answer is C, when your exit road is cleared. When may you stop and wait in a box junction? A, when oncoming traffic prevents you from turning right. B, when you're in a queue of traffic turning left. C, when you're in a queue of traffic going ahead. D, when you're on a roundabout. The correct answer is A, when oncoming traffic prevents you from turning right. Who is authorized to signal you to stop? A, a motorcyclist. B, a pedestrian. C, a police officer. D, a bus driver. The correct answer is C. A police officer. What should you do if you see a pedestrian waiting at a zebra crossing? A. Go on quickly before they step onto the crossing. B. Stop before you read the zigzag lines and let them cross. C. Be ready to slow down or stop to let them cross. D. Ignore them as they're still on the pavement. The correct answer is C. Be ready to slow down or stop to let them cross. Which road users benefit from token crossings? A. Car drivers and motorcyclists. B. Cyclists and pedestrians. C. Bus and lorry drivers. D. Tram and train drivers. The correct answer is B. Cyclists and pedestrians. You're waiting at a pelican crossing. What does it mean when the read light changes to flashing amber? A. Give way to pedestrians on the crossing. B. Move off immediately without any hesitation. C. Wait for the green light before moving off. D. Get ready and go when the continuous amber light shows. The correct answer is A. Give way to pedestrians on the crossing. You see these double white lines along the center of the road. When may you park on the left? A. If the line nearest to you is broken. B. When there are no yellow lines. C. To pick up or set down passengers. D. During daylight hours only. The correct answer is C. To pick up or set down passengers. You're turning at a crossroads. An oncoming driver is also turning right. What's the advantage of turning behind the oncoming vehicle? A. You'll have a clearer view of any approaching traffic. B. You'll use less fuel because you can stay in a higher gear. C. You'll have more time to turn. D. You'll be able to turn without stopping. The correct answer is A. You'll have a clearer view of any approaching traffic. You're traveling along a residential street. There are parked vehicles the left-hand side. Why should you keep your speed down? A. So that oncoming traffic can see you more clearly. B. You may set off car alarms. C. There may be delivery lorries on the street. D. Children may run out from between the vehicles. The correct answer is D. Children may run out from between the vehicles. What should you do when there's an obstruction on your side of the road? A. Carry on, as you have priority. B. Give way to oncoming traffic. C. Wave oncoming vehicles through. D. Accelerate to get past first. The correct answer is B. Give way to oncoming traffic. When would you use the right-hand lane of a two-lane dual carriageway? A. When you're turning right or overtaking. B. When you're passing a side road on the left. C. When you're staying at the minimum allowed speed. D. When you're traveling at a constant high speed. The correct answer is A. When you're turning right or overtaking. Who has priority at an unmarked crossroads? A. The larger vehicle. B. No one has priority. C. The faster vehicle. D. The smaller vehicle. The correct answer is B. No one has priority. What's the nearest you may park to a junction? A. 10 meters, 32 feet. B. 12 meters, 39 feet. C. 15 meters, 49 feet. D. 20 meters, 66 feet. The correct answer is A. 10 meters, 32 feet. You're looking for somewhere to safely park your vehicle. Where would you choose to park? A. At or near a bus stop. B. In a designated parking space. C. Near the brow of a hill. D. On the approach to a level crossing. The correct answer is B. In a designated parking space. You're waiting at a level crossing. What must you do if a train passes but the lights keep flashing? A. Carry on waiting. B. Phone the signal operator. C. Edge over the stop line and look for trains. D. Park and investigate. The correct answer is A. Carry on waiting. What does this sign mean? A. No traffic through road. B. End of traffic, calming zone. C. Free parking zone ends. D. End of controlled parking zone. The correct answer is D. End of controlled parking zone. What must you do if you come across roadworks that have a temporary speed limit displayed? A. Obey the speed limit. B. Obey the limit, but only during rush hour. C. Ignore the displayed limit. D. Use your own judgment, the limit is only advisory. The correct answer is A. Obey the speed limit. You're in a built-up area at night, and the road is well lit. Why should you use dipped headlights? A. So that you can see further along the road. B. So that you can go at a much faster speed. C. So that you can switch to main beam quickly. D. So that you can be easily seen by others. The correct answer is D, so that you can be easily seen by others. You're turning right onto a dual carriageway. What should you do if the central reservation is too narrow to contain your vehicle? A. Proceed to the central reservation and wait. B. Wait until the road is clear in both directions. C. Stop in the first lane so that other vehicles give way. D. Emerge slightly to show your intentions. The correct answer is B. Wait until the road is clear in both directions. What's the national speed limit on a single carriageway road for cars and motorcycles? A. 30 miles per hour. B. 50 miles per hour. C. 60 miles per hour. D. 70 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 60 miles per hour. What should you do when you park at night on a tread that has a 40 miles per hour speed limit? A. Park facing the traffic. B. Leave parking lights switched on. C. Leave dipped headlights switched on. D. Park near a street light. The correct answer is B. Leave parking lights switched on. Where will you see these red and white markers? A. Approaching the end of a motorway. B. Approaching a concealed level crossing. C. Approaching a concealed speed limit sign. D. Approaching the end of a dual carriageway. The correct answer is B. Approaching a concealed level crossing. You're traveling on a motorway in England. When must you stop your vehicle? A. When signalled to stop by a roadworks supervisor. B. When signalled to stop by a traffic officer. C. When signalled to stop by a pedestrian on the hard shoulder. D. When signalled to stop by a driver who has broken down. The correct answer is B. When signalled to stop by a traffic officer. How should you signal if you're going straight ahead at a roundabout? A. Signal right on the approach and then left to leave the roundabout. B. Signal left after you leave the roundabout and enter the new road. C. Signal right on the approach to the roundabout and keep the signal on. D. Signal left just after you pass the exit before the one you're going to take. The correct answer is D. Signal left just after you pass the exit before the one you're going to take. When may you drive over a pavement? A. To overtake slow-moving traffic. B. When the pavement is very wide. C. If there are no pedestrians nearby. D. To gain access to a property. The correct answer is D. To gain access to a property. A single carriageway road has this sign. What's the maximum permitted speed for a car towing a trailer? A 30 miles per hour. B 40 miles per hour. C 50 miles per hour. D 60 miles per hour. The correct answer is C 50 miles per hour. What's the speed limit for a car towing a caravan on a dual carriageway? A 50 miles per hour. B 40 miles per hour. C 70 miles per hour. D 60 miles per hour. The correct answer is D 60 miles per hour. You want to park and you see this sign. What should you do on the days and times shown? A. Park in a bay and not pay. B. Park on yellow lines and pay. C. Park on yellow lines and not pay. D. Park in a bay and pay. The correct answer is D. Park in a bay and pay. A cycle lane, marked by a solid white line, is in operation. What does this mean for car drivers? A. They may park in the lane. B. They may drive in the lane at any time. C. They may use the lane when necessary. D. They mustn't drive along the lane. The correct answer is D. They mustn't drive along the lane. You're going to turn left from a main road into a minor road. What should you do as you approach the junction? A. Keep just left of the middle of the road. B. Keep in the middle of the road. C. Swing out to the right just before turning. D. Keep well to the left of the road. The correct answer is D. Keep well to the left of the road. You're waiting at a level crossing. What should you do if the red warning lights continue to flash after a train has passed by? A. Get out and investigate. B. Telephone the signal operator. C. Continue to wait. D. Drive across carefully. The correct answer is C. Continue to wait. What should you do if the amber lights come on and a warning sounds while you're driving over a level crossing? A. Get everyone out of the vehicle immediately. B. Stop and reverse back to clear the crossing. C. Keep going and clear the crossing. D. Stop immediately and use your hazard warning lights. The correct answer is C. Keep going and clear the crossing. You're driving on a busy main road. What should you do if you find that you're driving in the wrong direction? A. Turn into a side road on the right and reverse into the main road. B. Make a U-turn in the main road. C. make a 3-point turn in the main road. D. Turn around in a side road. The correct answer is D. Turn around in a side road. When may you drive without wearing your seat belt? A. When you're carrying out a maneuver that includes reversing. B. When you're moving off on a hill. C. When you're testing your brakes. D. When you're driving slowly in queuing traffic. The correct answer is A. When you're carrying out a maneuver that includes reversing. How far are you allowed to reverse? A. No further than is necessary. B. No more than a car's length. C. As far as it takes to reverse around a corner. D. The length of a residential street. The correct answer is A. No further than is necessary. What should you do when you're unsure whether it's safe to reverse your vehicle? A. Sound your horn. B. Reverend your engine. C. Get out and check. D. Reverse slowly. The correct answer is C. Get out and check. Why could it be dangerous to reverse from a side road into a main road? A. Your reverse sensors will beep. B. Your view will be restricted. C. Your reversing lights will be hidden. D. Your mirrors will need adjusting. The correct answer is B. Your view will be restricted.